Welcome back to Initial Speed. It's about 7:44 in the morning and I'm headed to Phil's in my new car. You guys will see what it is as soon as I get there, but we're gonna be doing some minor work, maybe heavy work to the car, but Phil hasn't seen it yet, so once we get there we'll show both of you what it is.
Not these courtrooms, my lawyer like objection. Yeah. Thinking on my name, I got leader in this bitch.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at Phil's and we're gonna get his first reaction to the car. He kind of took a peek at it through the window, but we'll see what he thinks. He hasn't said anything yet. But I told him when I got here I'd get your reaction, so.
I think it's awesome. When I saw you pulling in, that's why I left the door open, because let's go take a look at it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I purchased an IS300. It is a 2005 IS300. It needs a lot of work, but it's my childhood. Like, it's like that car that you see and it's like it's one of your favorite cars. It's my favorite car. It's the car that I used in like Forza.
For me, it was all about Tokyo Extreme Racer. I couldn't find another four-door vehicle that I liked, and I don't know why I like four-door vehicles. I just do.
Yeah.
So this was the go-to car. So that's how I fell in love with the car.
Yeah, man. The video games, you know, the amount of power that you could put into it. It's FR, so it's just one of my favorite cars of all time. And I finally got a chance to get it, so I had a friend say that he's selling it, and he gave me an offer that I couldn't refuse, and he grabbed it up.
I'm supposed to go. He gave me an offer I couldn't refuse.
But we'll just do a quick walk around and show you guys, you know, the issues that it has. It's common IS issues, but yeah.
You know what? Overall, it's really not that bad. Okay, it's got a couple of spots that need some love. But I mean, so did the freaking Beetle.
Yeah.
And we've done it.
Yep. So
It's
I guess
a paint
like
job.
For sure. We'll probably wrap it though. That there's something blocking it, but like you can see, like they maybe clear coated over the lamps there.
Might have to wet sand it.
A little bit of rust
Find any,
in the rocker, which is, I mean, a common IS thing. Rust, a little bit of rust in the fender there. But like overall, like interior is good. The handles need a little bit of work, maybe a little bit of oil. You know, WD-40, something like that. But black interior, which is awesome.
That's key.
Yeah, man.
Because you can do any accent color or none at all.
Yeah.
I said we get it in the garage. I'm cold.
Yeah, me too. But I'll just do this quickly.
All right.
Oh, this hood is like
Heavy.
Dude, feel that. It's so heavy.
They used steel. They didn't use aluminum.
But I mean, I think it's has good bones, right? So they say.
Yeah.
It looks like it's gonna be.
Man,
good.
when this thing is cleaned up and wrapped, woo, with your vision.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll order some stuff.
The painful, the bittersweet part, because your bank account's gonna scream at you. So's your wife. Always the case.
Yeah.
But you know, in the end,
It'll be all
always
right.
worth it.
Yeah. All right. Well, now you guys see it. We're gonna bring it into the garage and we're gonna try to work on the quarters and get rid of the rust. And so we're beginning to see what's going on here. There's a massive hole in this rocker, but I mean the main parts seem all right, so it should be.
Still gotta
Hopefully it's, you know.
We gotta cut like this.
Yeah, we'll see what we get. Yeah, let's grind it to see how bad it is. And...
Yeah.
Is there more?
Yeah.
Underneath. Is there another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, even like take off the wheels maybe. Or you don't want to go that far.
We can. You have the lock nut?
Hmm?
You have the lock nut?
Yeah, I have everything.
All right. Let's do it.
All right, so we got the car jacked up and we're gonna start to grind away at this to see how far it's gone. There's one big massive hole, but underneath isn't completely gone. So, I mean, what the heck is this?
Knife.
Box cutter?
Yeah, Costco days. Going to explore and clean the paint off to see how bad it is.
You have pen paper.
Where's the knife? Cut out cut out the one arm or whatever you want to call it.
The hole right here.
Yeah, somewhere there.
Mark where it is.
Yeah. Yeah, that's about right.
So this has
Escalated.
definitely. Look what's bad now. We've kind of like ripped away pretty much not everything, but it's kind of just flaking away. The rust is fairly bad in this. It looks like it's just been kind of like, you know, patched and band-aid.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna do the same roughly, but
Well, I mean, for right now,
we'll get what we can.
But in the spring, I'll get Dad to come up and
do it again.
Unless you're gonna do skirts.
Definitely, there's gonna be skirts.
Okay, so then it doesn't need to look pretty.
Yeah.
It just needs to keep the water out.
Yeah.
And minimize the rusting. Yeah. So with that in mind, as a novice, I'm much more comfortable.
Yeah.
If it's like the final, then it's like, right?
This is way bigger than what we intended, but yeah, skirts are definitely going back on it. So
okay, so we can just chop this right out right now.
Yeah.
All right, you want to do it or am I doing it?
You can cut it if you want.
You want me to cut it?
Yeah. Be careful, buddy.
Just touched it.
Yeah.
All right. I'm just gonna grab some
how did that
pliers.
Feel? For me, it hurt, but how did it feel for you?
It was bittersweet. I hate, and that's one reason why. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack for this, but that's one reason why I'm not a drifter. Oh. I hate to see cars get damaged.
Yeah.
But with the knowledge of with knowing that it's to make it better, I know that things have to get worse before they get better. So it hurt, but I don't think as much as it did for you.
Yeah.
And I know that that's why you asked me to do it.
Yeah.
Now, if it was a Ferrari or like something where I was like, oh man, like my version of this, then I'd be like, you do it. You do it. Yeah. But
I can't watch. It's a downside of being in Canada. And not taking care of your car.
Well, it's not even Canada. It's just, I guess,
letting
East
it
Coast.
sit, yeah.
Right? As the Californians say, it's the East Coast rust.
I don't know. It's rough.
Time it took me to get this out. You're done. Yeah, I don't want to cut the, I just want to cut the surface metal. I don't want to cut the metal under it. If I can,
yeah,
avoid it. If I can't, then obviously you can't, right? But
Yeah, that's, if we can save this, that'd be good.
Well, that's structure, right? All right, so where we left off on the other side, we were a little frustrated, so that's why we pulled the plug while we tried to figure things out. The problem is, when you're trying to figure things out and you've got your head down and you're focused, you forget to pick up the camera. So we're working on it. Sorry about that, guys.
Try it some. Faster speed.
Hmm?
Definitely faster. So alright. Put the tags in there. It's a lot closer, right? So
Yeah.
even if you push a little,
out,
it
yeah.
just good. Alright.
Let me find my screwdriver now.
I had it just a second ago.
Sorry, I'm a little blind from the light.
Yeah.
Blinded by the light.
Freaking damn, that was good one.
Hey,
That was a good one.
Got you?
Good, yeah.
did I show you what it did to me? In the palm of my hand from last week?
They like right on the
Like, right here, man. Although,
sorry.
this mark here is from when I was about 5 or 6 helping Dad. It went
Yeah.
through my winter jacket, through the cuff, melted itself onto my hand, and Dad said, what does that smell? And I was like, I don't know.
Your skin black.
Yeah, exactly. And then
This one's gonna hurt.
and
though.
then I went like this to stretch, and my jacket was attached, and he peeled it up, and it left me with that mark.
Yeah.
And now I've got this one from us, here and here.
Look.
It just looks like callus. Where's yours?
Right on the crease, guy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, it's all part of the game.
Makes me like the car more, I guess.
Hey? It's like you've done this before.
But you know what's so funny? Should wait till last to do this.
What's that?
Should wait till last to do this part. But
Yeah, the inside should be done first.
I got excited.
Yeah.
But it looks doesn't look
Yeah.
half bad, eh?
Yeah.
Doesn't look half bad.
No, it doesn't.
Sick. So we just finished the rocker, and we're just putting some fiberglass, light stranded fiberglass Bondo on like the seams and stuff like that, just to clean it up a bit. So here's what it looks like. We'll block it later on. But Phil, what do you think, buddy?
I think we've come a long way.
Yeah,
from what it was.
Yeah, from what it was. Yeah, for sure.
I mean, it's still not 100, but
No.
again, we're kind of learning. We've both been around people that have done it and have helped, but I don't think we've done it completely on our own.
No.
So, I mean, you know, it's got the product on there. Now it's just time to sand it down and shape it. Not even shape it, just sand it down so it's nice and smooth. And, well, I guess that is shaping it. Beautiful.
Yeah.
And nice and warm.
Yeah.
Chemical reaction. And yeah, clean it up, sand it down, make it look a little nicer. And then no water's getting in. So we can start kitting it out. Skirts, bumpers, whatever we want to do. The one thing is, for those IS 350 or 300 guys out there, the grommets that sit on the bottom and in the wheel well, check those, because it seems to be holding water and rotting out those areas. So it's something worth digging into.
Yeah,
in
definitely
the event.
look into that area, because I mean that's like a weak point of the chassis for sure.
Wow.
Especially if you let it get like debris in there.
Well, I was just gonna say, for us northeastern guys, I mean Cali, Phoenix, of course it's so dry that you're not gonna have this problem, but for everybody, you know, Buffalo, New York, Canada, you know, all the states that are close to the border that get hit, which is actually kind of funny because I've noticed in the last couple of years, Buffalo and New York have been getting more snow than we do.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But anyway.
But anyways, yeah, we got a lot of work done. Hopefully it translates on video. And once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Initial speed out.